my loves, what's up and welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I'm not gonna keep this intro very long because this video is going to be only about swatches. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the extended shade range of Sugar Mousse Muse Mask Proof Lip Cream. I have made a proper review video of this formula and I have linked it down somewhere here. I think it was the last year or तब I think उन्होंने 4 या 5 shade launch किए थे. So yeah, without further ado, let's get directly into swatches and do let me know which is your favorite shade from this. And yeah, usually if you come to my channel for lip swatches, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. It motivates me a lot to make such videos for you guys. And now let's begin with the video. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you found the swatches helpful. If you do so, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you super soon in my next video. Till then, watch my other videos. Take care and bye bye.